Hi guys, today I will show you the fire manipulation technique in Adobe Photoshop. Open any object where you want to put the fire. Then open the fire image. Fire image. That's the fire image I will use in this tutorial. Then arrange it. Then go to this palette and use blend mode, screen blend mode. Then after placing it, then press Ctrl T, then make it bigger if your picture is bigger, or smaller if your picture is smaller. Then tick the confirmation. Then it doesn't look nice, so I will make it copy. Ctrl J, then Ctrl T, rotate it. Okay, again Ctrl J, Ctrl T, rotate it. I will arrange as you like. Arrange it like this. Then create a copy of the background layer. Then use the brush tool, give the eyedropper tool, take the yellow from this fire, then with the brush tool first stretch it, brush tool, opacity down to 25. Using the black. And a fire manipulation technique is done. Use your own skills to make the image look perfect. I'm not so that perfect, so I'm just showing you how to do it. Please make sure to like the video, share and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos. Thank you.